Hello, beautiful people in the world. I hope everyone is doing fantastic. So today I decided to make a turtle piñata, but totally different. A purple one of my favorite colors. And so here you have it. All I did was cut out some stencil here, and then I added it to the piñata. Different colors. I have a variety: pink, purple, blue. And I also added some white. I love the shimmery shimmer. Where I got all this shimmery shimmer is from some bags that I purchased. All I did was cut them out in hexagons. There are the measurements of this turtle piñata that I have created. That, my dear friends, is the eye. So all I did was add the eye on, made sure that I put a little bow. I also added a piñata stick with the purchase of this turtle piñata. Great captures, great pictures of this little turtle, and I was very happy with the outcome. As always, stay blessed.